Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Obrien slalom water skis that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a beginner, an intermediate skier, or a seasoned pro, there's something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below for more details and pricing. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Obrien Performer Combo Water Skis. These skis are designed for advancing intermediates, making them an excellent choice for those looking to up their game. The standout feature here is the wide forebody, which provides plenty of surface area for easier deep water starts. Paired with the aggressive rocker and bevels, the Performer excels at providing stability while still allowing for sharp, controlled turns in slalom mode. The design features Z8 bindings that fit US men's sizes 7 to 13, along with a padded rear toe plate for added comfort. The fiberglass construction adds durability without weighing the skis down, and the vibrant red finish ensures these skis are as stylish as they are functional. At 21 pounds, they're a bit heavier than some others on this list, which could be a drawback for younger or smaller skiers. In terms of performance, the Performer Combo is a solid choice for intermediate skiers who want to transition into more advanced slalom skiing. However, the weight and wide forebody may not suit those looking for high-speed runs or tight maneuvering. Overall, these skis strike a good balance between stability and performance. Pros: excellent for deep water starts, durable construction, and great for intermediates. Cons: heavier than most and not ideal for advanced skiers seeking speed. At number 4, we have the Obrien Pro Tour Slalom Water Ski. This is the perfect entry-level slalom ski for beginner to intermediate skiers. Its dual tunnel design is a game-changer, slicing through rough water effortlessly for a smooth and stable ride. The included Z9 Junior bindings are adjustable up to size 7, making it a versatile option for younger skiers or smaller adults. The carved fin adds to its maneuverability, allowing for easy turns and strong control. Weighing just 5.4 pounds, this ski is lightweight and easy to handle, which is especially great for new skiers. The Pro Tour is available in 58 inches, 64 inches, and 68 inches sizes, so you can choose the one that best suits your skill level and body type. The aqua color scheme gives it a modern and sleek appearance. However, the fiberglass build is not as robust as some higher-end models, so it may not hold up as well under heavy use. Performance-wise, the Pro Tour is forgiving and stable, which is exactly what beginners need to build confidence. That said, its design limits its speed and agility, so advanced skiers might find it lacking. Pros: highly stable, beginner-friendly, and lightweight. Cons: limited in performance for advanced users and not the most durable option for frequent use. Taking the number 3 spot is the Obrien Sequence Slalom Water Ski, a versatile choice designed for beginner to intermediate riders. The wide-body design stands out, making deep water starts feel effortless. Its transitional concave shape ensures a stable ride, while the carved fin with performance flex enhances maneuverability and control. This ski is available in 2 lengths, 67 inches and 69 inches. And comes with the Z9 XXL bindings that fit sizes 10 to 14, catering to larger adult riders. The sequence is built with fiberglass, giving it a lightweight yet durable construction. The red finish adds a sporty vibe, making it look as good as it performs. At just under 5 kilograms, it strikes a balance between weight and durability, making it easy to handle while still rugged enough for regular use. However, its wider design might not appeal to skiers looking for a more aggressive, performance-driven ride. In terms of performance, the sequence excels in stability and ease of use, making it an ideal choice for those still mastering slalom skiing. While it might not offer the speed or precision that advanced skiers crave, it's a reliable and forgiving option for those honing their skills. Pros: excellent for deep water starts, stable and forgiving, and ideal for larger riders. Cons: less suited for high-speed performance and advanced maneuvers. At number 2, we have the Obrien Watersports Celebrity Ski Combo. These skis are designed for everyone, from beginners to advanced riders, making them a fantastic family-friendly option. The performance side cut and dual tunnel design ensure superior control and stability, whether you're carving turns or cruising on open water. The 68-inch length and generously sized surface area make deep water starts easy and approachable for skiers of all levels. The Celebrity skis feature X7 adjustable bindings that fit U.S. men's sizes 4.5 to 13, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit for a wide range of users. The flatter, faster rocker line reduces drag, so you can ski longer without fatigue. With a fiberglass build and a royal blue finish, these skis are as durable as they are stylish. At 22 pounds, they're one of the heavier options on this list, but the added weight contributes to their stability in the water. The Celebrity Combo is ideal for families or groups with varying skill levels. While they may not deliver the aggressive performance that advanced solo skiers look for, their versatility and user-friendly design make them a top pick for shared use. Pros: versatile, comfortable bindings, and great for all skill levels. Cons: heavier weight and less tailored for advanced high-speed skiing. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions about these products or need help choosing the right one, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.